Good evening, rail fans. It is about 5:45. I just got off of work. It's Monday, and something cool to catch. Cool as far as I'm concerned. There hasn't been a whole lot on the CN Waukesha sub for a couple months that I would consider to be unique. And so what we have today is a northbound. I think this is M347. Might be wrong about that. It's a 6-unit lash up, and in the lash up is a BC Rail full cowl unit in the red, white, and blue colors, and an Illinois Central unit in the Blue Devil paint scheme. And so chances are I probably caught at least one or both of these units going southbound months ago, maybe a year ago, because there was a time when the CN was basically purging all of their old and worn out units, and these units were certainly them. And my assumption was that they were either being sold or maybe scrapped or at least put in long-term storage, but I was pretty sure I was not going to see them again on the Waukesha sub. And as soon as you say something like that about railroads, you say things like never and couldn't happen. It does. And so now we've got these two units coming back northbound on the same train. I'm sure, well, there I go. I think they're not going to be put into revenue service. Chances are they'll be sold to a museum or something will happen to them, but I can't imagine we're going to see them running again. But who knows? Anyway, enjoy this catch. It's turned out to be pretty nice. The rain cleared up and things are looking good. So hopefully I catch these units and have a great evening. Rugby Junction signing off.